We're going to film another Higgs video here. It's NONET, Pseudo-Goldstone Boson Higgs mechanism, particle mass formula, ALEPH, CERN, wow. The Pseudo-Goldstone Boson plus NONET plus W plus Z, previous tevatron formula idea of how to set up the collision of the particles and the Higgs mechanism. So quotes from Wiki: Goldstone bosons in particle and condensed matter physics. Goldstone bosons or Nambu-Goldstone bosons are bosons that appear necessarily in models exhibiting spontaneous breakdown of continuous symmetries. The Higgs mechanism. It is a kind of mass generation mechanism, a process that gives mass to elementary particles. According to this theory, particles gain mass by interacting with the Higgs field that permeates all space. More precisely, the Higgs mechanism endows gauge bosons and a gauge theory with mass through absorption of Nambu-Goldstone bosons arising in spontaneous symmetry breaking. So here's a diagram to study. And it's September 22nd when I was doing the research. Today's November 15th, 2012. My thoughts looking at this diagram with the WOW data in mind. K equals kinetic energy. Okay. Pi equals pi bonds plus atoms plus S, the 5 axial forces, the missing standard model particles covered in an earlier video. S2 plus U3 plus H3. Q equals 0. The symbol for 0 is in the middle of the branch. Right there. And Q equals minus 0 equals 0, mass for the Higgs particle. So the Higgs mechanism, so here's a formula right here. So the Higgs mechanism adds the W bosons plus minus plus weak force particles. Neutrino formula from WOW with the split leptons, fermions, 4 quarks, what makes 4 quarks, cooled liquid argon gas. The tevatron, 2 mirrors of obsidian spheres in the middle and push forces between each other after 2 cycles in clockwise and counterclockwise directions, meeting and colliding in the middle instead of on the edge. Where the N, pi, O, N is that's where the mirror should be in the form of the NONET with your CERN and W7 stellarator tevatron. Where the N, pi, O, pi. And pi should be 2 laser beams facing one another and firing simultaneously into the mirrors in the middle from the opposite directions during the colliding of the particles to excite them and create a super force that activates the weak force and adds strong stabilizing mass to the particles. The key word is ALEPH detector. My thoughts continued. Electromagnetism is the key. Create something that attracts mass into the Higgs particle in order to study it. Okay, so that's a very big formula there. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll go on to the next one.